Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. Here are two special offers for buying dog food. Special offer A and special offer B. Gaspar buys 24 tins of food using special offer A. Anna buys 24 tins of dog food using special offer B. Work out the difference between the amount that Gaspar pays and the difference between the amount that Anna pays. That simply means that Gaspar will get a higher value and we simply subtract Anna's value. So we can see here that for Gaspar, he buys 24 tins. So we know it's 24. And it's $140 per tin. So we multiply by 1.4. However, we can see here that the special offer is buy one tin, get one tin half price. So to buy one tin, that's one whole. So we can write 1/1 and get one tin half price. So we can add 1/2. We can actually change 1/1 to 2/2 plus 1/2. That equals 3/4, or exactly 75%. Because if he buys one whole tin and gets one tin half price, he'll get 75%. That means 25% off on the amount he pays. So we can multiply this by 3/4. And we can see that Gaspar's value is given as 24 times 1.4 times 3/4. That gives us 25.2. 25.2. He spends a total of $25.2. And now we can calculate for Anna. Normally, a pack of 6 tins goes for 7.2. So that means of the 24 tins, she buys them in packs of 6. So we divide by 6 and we multiply by 7.2. On top of that, she gets 20% off on each pack of 6 tins. We know that 100% is a full amount. So 100 minus 20 is simply equal to 80. And since this is a percentage, we can write this as 80/100. Or we can write this as 8/10. Or we can write this as 4/5. And now that we know that she only pays 4/5, we can multiply this by 4/5 to find out the total value Anna pays. We have here 24 divided by 6 times 7.2 times 4/5. We have 23.04. 23.04. And it says to find the difference between the amount that Gaspar pays and the amount that Anna pays. So we simply have to subtract Gaspar's amount, 25.2, minus Anna's amount, which is 23.04. And we can use our calculator here as 25.2 minus 23.04, which gives us $2.16. $2.16. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.